So we are doing the chapter simple interest. I think we have done 14th question. Am I right? Yes, all of you. Anji, have we done the 14th question of simple interest? आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा आपकी. Do you all do the work which I do on the board in your? Do you do it in your copies or not?
Yes, sir.
There's many.
We have done till question number 13.
अच्छा. Matter Mani, have you? Sorry, you were absent yesterday.
Yes, sir. I am absent from 3 days.
You were absent. 3 days. Okay. Why? Gone out.
Sir, I was out of station.
There.
So there was my
class.
Sorry.
It is a combined class.
No, beta. There is only 7th A.
So 7th B students are also.
7th B. 7th B are also there.
Yes, sir. Atul sir sent us the link and said join it. It is your arrangement period.
Okay. Otherwise, whose period is it?
Pankaj sir.
The Pankaj. Oh, okay. Yes, yes, yes. I thought. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry for that. Yes, it is your combined class.
So can I tell that in 7th B you have done till where?
Yeah, I know in 7th B we have done till 15th question. And I was giving you the introduction of simple interest, sorry, statistics, the 21st chapter. Okay, in 7th A, we have done till question number 13 or 14. Which one?
Sir, 13.
We have done till 13. Okay, so just 2 questions left. Let us finish the 2 questions first. Then we will start with the next chapter. You have to do till question 15 only in this chapter. Okay. Can you tell me the page number of the chapter? Exercise. Okay,
Sir, the page number of the chapter is 166. 166.
yeah, got it. Exercise 12A, question number 14. It is a very simple question. Everything is given. Simple interest is given. 820.
Excuse me, sir.
0.50. Yes, beta.
After 12A, we will do 12B also, no?
12B is MCQ exercise that you can do on your own. You can try it on your exercise 12B. We don't do MCQs here in the class. Okay. So simple interest is given.
Okay, sir.
Question 14. And the rate of interest is given. Rate of interest is 15% per annum. Sorry, how much? It is 10% per annum and time period is 3 years. Rate of interest is 10% per annum and the time period is 3 years. Now you, in this case, you have to find the principal. Find the sum likha hai, dekhiye last mein. In the question, it is given that you have to sorry, they are asking that what is the sum. Sum का meaning होता है principal. Okay, we have to find the sum, that means principal. So use the same formula of simple interest to find principal also. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. यही formula use करेंगे. What is SI? SI is 829.50. Principal is not given. Rate of interest is 10. Time period is 3 years. 100. 100 को ले आते हैं 829.50 multiplied by 100 equals to P into 30. 10 into 3 कितना हो गया? 30 हो गया. So 829.50 into 100 is equals to 82,950 whole upon 30. ये 30 यहाँ डिवाइड में आ जाएगा equals to P. So what is your answer? Principal is equals to rupees 2765. 2765 is the principal. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have plus something like that. 829.50. How is it?
हाँ जी बेटा.
Sir, ये 829.50 upon 30 कैसे हुआ?
बेटा ये 30 यहाँ से यहाँ डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. P into 30, ये 30 है. It is in multiply, so it will come in divide. It will come in the numerator in the LHS. Got it?
So
And
sir, if we
829.50 into 100, 100 से multiply होके decimal 2 places आगे बढ़ जाता है. तो 82,950 हो गया 100 से multiply करके. ओके, और 30 यहाँ डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. Clear or not, Naitik?
yes sir, clear.
Manrina is attending the class. Wow, that is a great achievement for me. Manrina is-
No, sir.
no.
Sir, I see all the videos.
Sir. So when I starting, when I am in 6th class, when I starting cutting with, sir, I not know how to cut 30 and that, sir, you cut 0 from 0, and that time when I am in class 6, sir, I cut 30 from, sir, I am giving example, I cut 30 from 82,950. Sir, the answer is also not come correct. So my father tells that you have to cut 0 from 0 first.
Yes. Now you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Manrina beta, I was just joking.
I know, sir.
But it is good to see you in the class.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes,
So after simple, so after simple in this chapter, what chapter we will be starting?
we will start chapter number 21, collection and organization of data.
Okay, sir.
Mean, median, mode. और मैं बोले तो statistics. So question 14 is over. Now let's do the last question of this, which is question 15. इसके बाद के जो questions हैं, we will not do. These questions will also not come in your exams because of shortage of time. We are not doing it. Okay, so don't worry. If suppose we are able to finish the syllabus in time, the syllabus हमारा time पे हो जाता है, and we are also able to do the reasoning syllabus in time, then we will definitely do these questions. तो अभी मैं इनको out of syllabus की नहीं मार रहा हूँ, ठीक है? We can consider these questions later on because you have already understood the concept of the
Sir.
chapter.
Okay,
That
sir.
is why we are taking this decision of not doing the question
Sir?
right now. Yes.
Sir, on YouTube, sir, I have seen, sir, your subscribers are so much, sir. 125 subscribers are of yours.
हाँ बेटा ये मैं आने वाले टाइम में क्या होगा, गुरु रंधावा के बाद सबसे ज्यादा सब्सक्राइबर मेरी
Sir, yesterday I have seen your subscribers, sir, 125. And sir, Mandrina Rawal having 58 subscribers.
Mandina is having 58 subscribers. Oh my god, and she is also not a teacher.
So she
Sir, I'm
makes.
not a teacher. Sir, like ma'am gave me an activity to do an experiment. I sent that, so that's why.
So you sorry, you uploaded the video of your experiment on your YouTube channel.
Sir, Palak ma'am have 3.28k subscribers.
3.2 thousand subscribers.
Palak ma'am have.
Palak ma'am. Oh my god.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sir,
And
not
sir,
1,000
YouTube is
crores.
also paying her.
Sorry.
Excuse me, sir.
YouTube is
Huh?
also paying her.
Sir, I having only 5 subscribers, but sir, my channel name is RC Aeroplanes.
वाह क्या बेटा पलक मैम के बारे में क्या बताया मंदीना, what were you saying?
YouTube is paying her.
YouTube is paying her.
YouTube is paying her every day 400 rupees or 300 about it.
every day.
And sir, अगर viewers ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं तो 1000 तक मिलता है.
Yes, sir.
Got 1,000 subscribers above.
And sir, if there are no views in a day, so then also 100-200 rupees comes.
अरे वाह. That is.
Sir, actually her dream was to become famous and now she is.
अरे वाह यार. That is such a good thing. मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ कुछ चैनल वैनल अपना प्रॉपर तरीके से तो ये तो नहीं है. I am not frankly speaking, I am not doing anything for my channel.
And sir, you can also see my yesterday I have uploaded my new video, sir. Yesterday only. Yesterday, sir. Sir, in that I make some prehistoric animals model.
अरे वाह. I will see. So.
Sir, they look so much realistic.
Very good.
Sir, but you have to find so much.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when you will gain 10 million subscribers, please give shout out to me.
Sorry. What?
Sir, when you will gain 10 million subscribers, please give shout out to me.
अरे definitely 10 million तो नहीं, मेरे 10 billion subscribers हो जाएंगे एक टाइम में जाने के बाद.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
10 बिलियन की तो पॉपुलेशन भी नहीं है अर्थ पे. 10 बिलियन की नहीं तो 1.2 या फिर 10 बिलियन सर मैक्सिमम हो सकती है 7.5 बिलियन. 10 बिलियन की आप पॉपुलेशन मिलियन 10 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर कहाँ जाएंगे? उसके लिए कुछ लोगों को 4-5 फोन खरीदने पड़ेंगे सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए. तब
10 बिलियन की पॉपुलेशन नहीं तो सर काफी सारे फोन हैं.
वंशेर को कितना मजा आ रहा है.
सर वो हर एक क्लास में मस्ती करता है.
सर उसके लिए कुछ लोग को ना 4-5 फोन खरीदने पड़ेंगे. उसके लिए खरीद के वो सब्सक्राइब कर सकता है, पर उसके बाद वो सड़क पे आ जाएगा.
सर मैंने भी आपको सब्सक्राइब कर दिया.
अरे वाह, थैंक यू.
सर कोई तो बोल रहा था किसी का चैनल है कुछ करके कुछ तो बोला था.
RC Aeroplane.
RC Aeroplane.
वापस बोलना जरा.
जैसे कि पढ़ लेते हैं, बहुत हो गए चैनल. Frankly speaking, I am not doing anything for my channel. All the videos are uploaded because of the formalities that I have to do for the school. Just for that कि मुझे बस videos upload करने हैं school के for you all only कि you all don't miss your classes. If suppose you are not attending the live classes, then you can obviously watch the recorded videos. Only for that reason I am uploading the videos, not for any subscribers. Okay, so
सर वो आरसी एयरप्लेन वाला चैनल था ना, मैंने सब्सक्राइब कर दिया।
चलो भाई, Azil, congratulations.
Sir, I have also subscribed you.
But sir, you have to find so much about RC aeroplanes and some prehistoric animals.
ZIL
Okay, I will do it. Question number 15. The simple interest on a certain sum
ठीक है,
for
direct दूध
3
पर
years.
shift पे
So
लेना।
before starting this question, all of you please pay attention. You all know the formula of amount. Amount is equal to,
plus SI. P plus SI.
yes, this is the formula of amount. ये लिखना नहीं है आपको भी. Amount is equal to P plus SI. तो यहाँ से अगर मैं SI निकालूंगा क्या मिलेगा मुझे? Amount minus P is equal to SI.
A minus P.
Yes, A minus P मिल जाएगा. SI equals to A minus P. I will be using this thing in the question. In this question, I will be using this formula of SI, amount minus principal. इसका मैं use करूँगा question में. Okay, so be very attentive. मैं ये formula जहाँ पर use करूँगा, I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sir.
Understood this, everyone. Now let's start the question. SI is equals to amount minus principal. So a sum of money, sorry, क्या है? A sum when reckoned to 7 whole 1/2% per annum amounts to rupees 3,920. Now in this question, the amount is already given, rupees 3,920. This is the amount which is already given. Amounts to rupees 3,920. That means this is the amount. The rate of interest is given 7 whole 1/2% per annum. इसको चेंज कर लीजिए improper में, so it becomes 15/2% per annum. Okay, then finally
Okay,
the
sir.
time period is 3 years. The time period is 3 years, है ना? Yes, 3 years is the time period. Now you have to find the principal in this case, so we will use the same.
First we find simple interest.
Sorry.
First we find the simple interest.
हाँ देखो, I will use the formula and I will tell you how to do it. P into R into T upon 100. This is the formula.
Upon 100.
हाँ, this is the formula of simple interest. SI की जगह
Yes,
आप
sir.
लगाइए A minus P. यहाँ पर मैं use कर रहा हूँ वो जो भी मैंने आपको बताया था. Simple interest is also equal to A minus P. Am I right or not? तो SI की जगह
Yes, sir.
मैं write A minus P. RHS में मैंने सेम ऐसी कॉपी कर दिया, P into R into T upon 100. बस मैंने क्या करा, SI की जगह A minus P लिख दिया. I can write it. So
Sir, why we write it?
because
Sir, why we write?
I am telling you the reason why are we writing this. Because simple interest is not given. Simple interest is not given in question. Can you see simple interest? No. Simple
No,
interest
sir.
is not given. Amount is given. Amount पता है ना मैं. So that is why simple interest की जगह मैंने क्या लिख लिया है? Amount minus principal. What the reason why I have written this? Okay, because amount is given. That is why I am writing this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now put the values 3920 minus P. Principal नहीं पता है, यही find करना है मुझे. P की value find करनी है. Is equal to P. Again P नहीं पता है. Rate is 15/2. 15/2 कैसे लिखते हैं? ये 2 नीचे आ जाएगा, 100 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. 15/2 and the time period is 3 years. Okay, so this becomes 200. 200 LHS में आके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. 3920 minus P multiplied by 200. 100 डिनोमिनेटर से यहाँ पर आ जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई, is equal to P into 45. 15 into 3 is 45. Now you multiply 200 with both the terms. 200 को यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 4 8 7 784,000. 3,920 multiplied by 200 is 78,000. Sorry, 7,84,000 minus P into 200. P into 200 दोनों टर्म्स को मैंने 200 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया इक्वल्स टू P into 45. Okay. Now after this 784,000 ये आपका 200p into 200 यानी कि 200p भी बोल सकते हैं इसको. This will go in RHS और इसको मैं 45p बोल सकता हूँ. P into 45 is also known as 45p और ये माइनस 200p RHS में जाके प्लस हो जाएगा प्लस 200p. तो 784,000 लीनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हैं बिल्कुल सेम वैसे ही सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. 245p लीनियर इक्वेशन मैंने आपको पहले बताया था. इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. 7,84,000 is equal to 245p. So 784,000 divided by 245 is equal to p. तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके आपको मिलेगा. If you simplify this, you will get p equals to rupees 3,200. This is the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir. सर थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आया सर वो वहाँ का.
What which is the
सर सबसे आखिरी का मतलब 3 सर आपने लिखा था 3,920 माइनस p इंटू 200.
हाँ
यहाँ से थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आया.
3,920 minus p multiplied by 200. 200 को आप दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे दोनों टर्म्स both the terms.
सर हम
3,900.
ऐसा क्यों करेंगे?
हाँ जी.
सर हम लोग ऐसा क्यों करेंगे 200 से मल्टीप्लाई?
आपने अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन चैप्टर पढ़ा हुआ है उसमें सीखा है. If it is written like this 2 into x plus y.
यस सर. हाँ यस सर पढ़ा.
इसको क्या करते हैं 2x plus 2y लिखते हैं दोनों टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं नहीं करते हैं.
यस सर.
हाँ तो वही तो करा है मैंने. You will multiply 200 with both the terms.
ओके सर. थैंक यू
920 multiplied by 200 is this minus p into 200 दोनों टर्म से 200 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके. एंड नाउ दिस
Okay, sir.
200p you will take to RHS ऐड हो जाएगा बस. उसके बाद 245 यहाँ डिवाइड में आ जाएगा.
थैंक यू सर. आई अंडरस्टैंड.
मटर मनीर कहाँ गई थी तुम? हाँ बेटा आवाज नहीं आई.
Sir, whom do you said?
मटर मनीर कौर. सॉरी.
Oh.
Her name is मटर मनीर. हाँ जी. मनीर, are you listening? मनीर बेटा पनीर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी. हाँ कहाँ गई थी?
Sir, कहीं नहीं.
अरे नहीं 3 days you were not there ना in the class. You were out of
Yes,
station?
sir.
हाँ where?
Yes.
Where?
Sir, there was there was someone's marriage. That's why I was gone out of station in Majhola.
There was a marriage in Mathura.
No, sir, Pilibhit.
पीलीभीत. ओके. तो वेरी गुड यार. मैरिज हो गई. लड़के की लड़की से हुई है.
सर मेरे मामू की शादी थी.
मामू की शादी हुई है, मामी आ गई मतलब घर पे।
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। पार्टी दे देना अब।
Thank you, sir.
I will come to your home for the party. You can give me a तो पार्टी देने दो, चलो मुझे 2 किलो मिठाई के डिब्बे दे देना।
Sir, do you know where I live?
Where?
Above Gagan sir house.
Above Gagan sir's house मतलब?
Sir,
Gagan-
sir, when that day all the teachers came to Gagan sir home, no?
हाँ,
I was also there.
you were also there?
And my mom was also there.
Your mom was also there? Do you know Gagan
Yes.
sir? मतलब before joining the school also you were, मतलब you are Gagan sir's relative or what?
He's like bhaiya.
He's like a bhaiya. Are you his neighbor or what? मतलब
Neighbor like.
neighbor.
She says Gagan Bhaiya, not sir. She says Gagan Bhaiya.
अच्छा, और Mandeena, do you live in the same house, both of you, or in different houses?
Same house.
Same house. So, मतलब, what is there a relation, or you both are tenant and what do we call?
Sir, left and right side it is.
अच्छा,
It
okay,
can be a quarter house.
okay. So you saw me in the party.
Sir, that time I didn't know anyone.
So you were talking. When was this party? How many days ago? Well, before you joined the
Sir,
school.
yes, sir.
Okay, last year. I was there in the party last year. Very good. Okay, so now we will start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is Collection and Organization of Data. Mandeena, what does your father do? Father, mother, both?
Sir, on the Stadium Road there is a showroom, Sunrise Decor.
That is yours.
That, yes, sir.
And mother is a housewife, or she's also working?
She also there.
Okay, same shop, same showroom. Both the parents go to that.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you are also taking care of it?
Sir, can you repeat the chapter name?
No, sir.
No. Chapter number 21, Collection and Organization of Data. I'm telling you the page number. Page number 259.
Sir, can we do an easy and good chapter?
It is a very
Also,
easy and
can we
good
do
chapter.
activity?
It is a very it is a very easy and good chapter. Very simple chapter.
Done all questions in this exercise.
Only 15 questions we will do from this exercise.
Okay.
Rest of the questions will be, if suppose the time is left in the end, अभी तो हम नहीं करेंगे. The rest of the questions will also not come in the exams. If suppose time is left in the end, then we will do these questions. Okay. Ranshir is opening his book. He is looking good in a red sweater. Ranshir, are you doing your work? Are you writing the answers in your copies? I'm looking good in a red sweater. The video off कर लिया बेचारे ने. Getting colder day by day.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So had you checked the objective and subjective paper?
Better, your voice is not clear. Sorry.
Sir, have you checked UT2
Sir,
subjective
you have
paper?
checked the objective and subjective math paper?
Yes, I have checked.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please tell the marks.
Sir, please.
I cannot tell you the marks here right now.
So what is the performance of 7th B?
I cannot tell you because I'm not allowed to tell you the marks right now.
Excuse me, sir, just tell the performance is good, better, best.
It is good. It is good. Not very good. My expectations are a little high. So it is good, but not very good. Very good. तब जब मैं मतलब मेरी expectation थोड़ी ज़्यादा है actually. So I think मंदीना का मुझे याद आ रहा है. You have performed well. जहाँ तक मुझे याद है. I'm not sure.
I have performed.
You performed well. I think. मतलब जितना मुझे याद है.
So thank you.
Sir, I
काफी हाँ फाजिल also I think you have also performed well. मुझे बहुत सारे दिन हो गए. I don't remember the marks of everyone. So almost 15 days or 20 days have gone. I have checked the copies 15 or 20 days ago. So I don't remember the marks now. But I think overall the performance is good, but it should be better than this.
Okay.
Considering online circumstances. So the chapter is 21 and the name of the chapter is collection and organization of data. इसको मैं short में statistics भी लिख देता हूँ.
ठीक है मुझे वो
This
कॉल
is
भी
the
कर
part of statistics. So this is the chapter stats. The short one is statistics लिख देता हूँ. This chapter is totally based on statistics. Okay. So let us discuss some terms related to this chapter. First is data. Data एक word यहाँ पर in the name of the chapter also the word is used. Data. Data के बारे में we discussed in 7th B in the last period also. So what is data? बताएंगे आप data? Anyone?
Data is of many data together mix
Data
up
is a knowledge.
many information
Yeah,
together
data is-
mix up and make up a data.
Data is an information which we insert in the computer.
अगर सन अगर बोले तो
So I'm telling you.
sir
what is
data is an information which we insert.
Sorry. Ranshir, you were saying something? I switched off your mic. Yeah, Ranshir, please switch on your mic and tell.
Sir, data is an information that we insert inside a computer, and data is a collection of many information which form together a data.
Okay, so
Which we insert
mainly
in a
the main thing is that collection of data, collection of information is known as data. Not only in computer, anywhere, if you are writing it in your notebook also or somewhere, anywhere if you are
yes, sir, like in a PC, mobile, or an iPad, anywhere.
you can collect
Means
the
we
information
copy
in your
them.
mobile, in your iPad, in your computer, or even in your register notebook, whatever you have. So if you collect information in a certain whatever you have, collect information, that is known as data. So let me give you an example of it. If suppose I ask for the weights of all the students of this class, मैं सारे बच्चों के weights मान लीजिए आप लोगों से ले लेता हूँ. So weights are what? Numerical figures. किसी बच्चे का weight हो सकता है, maybe it could be 50 kgs, किसी का 45 kgs, 42 kgs. तो ऐसे weights होंगे बच्चों के class में. So these are numerical figures. So this information I have collected from all the students of the class. So what I have data with me. मेरे पास क्या हो गया? तो मेरे पास इतनी सारी information collect होके आ गई है एक जगह पर. This is known as data. Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
ठीक है, तो कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन मैं कलेक्ट कर लेता हूँ in numerical form, that is known as data. It could be weights of the students, it could be heights of the students, or even it could be मतलब many examples are there.
A
I'm giving you just
collection
few.
of numerical figures giving some particular type of information is called data.
Yes, this is the definition which is given in the book, I think. हाँ, यही है. नहीं. So one more example of it is you have seen teachers taking attendance of the students every day. So if they prepare a chart of all the students being present in the whole month, कौन से बच्चे किस month में कितने दिन present रहे, उसका एक chart prepare कर लेंगे. So that will also be known as data. So data could be in raw form also. Raw form में data क्या हुआ? If the data is in original form, जैसे मैंने आप लोगों से weights पूछे आप लोगों के, वो मेरे पास collect हो गए. So that is raw data. And now if I arrange the data in a particular order, if I arrange it in ascending order or descending order, for example, if I arrange the data in ascending order, जैसे कि जो सबसे light weight बच्चा है उसको मैं सबसे पहले कर देता हूँ, and second number पे उससे ज्यादा weight वाला, that means in ascending order if I arrange the data, सबसे छोटा मतलब सबसे कम weight, फिर उससे ज्यादा weight, फिर उससे ज्यादा weight. So if I arrange the data in any particular order, it could be ascending, descending, or even anything different from that. So if I do any chidkhani with the data,
Excuse me,
that
sir.
will not remain raw data. Raw data is when it is in its original form. जब बिल्कुल originally जो data collect किया जाता है, that is known as raw data. Understood the meaning of raw data, all of you?
Sir, the time of the class has been over.
Yes, it will end automatically. Okay, so
Bye bye, sir.
yeah, bye bye all of you. We will meet in the next
Bye,
class
sir.
whenever we
Bye,
meet.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.